Did you know that 95% of Dallas-Fort Worth residents pay a surcharge on their electric bill? This surcharge goes towards paying homeowners like yourself to make their homes more energy efficient. Now, these incentives can save you up to $3,000 on a new high-efficiency HVAC system. Combining this incentive with manufacturer and dealer incentives, you can get a brand new HVAC system for as little as $3,500 or just $75 per month. As if that wasn't a sweet enough deal, depending on the age, type, and size of your system, you could save as much as $125 per month on your electric bill by simply upgrading to a higher efficiency central air system. Energy efficiency incentives are a win-win. The utility company reduces stress on the power grid and saves on the cost of building new infrastructure, while their customers save money on their utility bills by upgrading their homes to higher efficiency HVAC systems. This incentive is amazing. You essentially get paid to upgrade, which not only allows you to be more comfortable year-round, but also cuts down on repairs and energy costs over time. So, how do you know if you qualify? It's easy. First, take a photo of your electric meter base outside your home. Second, take a photo of the model and serial number on your outdoor condenser. And third, a photo of the indoor unit from far away in order to have the full unit in view. You can email us these photos along with your name and address, and we'll put our skills to work finding you the best possible combination of incentives, rebates, and promotions to offer you. And don't worry, you'll never get pushy sales calls from Enoch. We'll provide you with a well-crafted email detailing the best possible deal and let you take it from there. You can also visit our website for more information at teamenoch.com. And while you're there, be sure to check out our other amazing deals we provide for electrical work, plumbing, and roofing services. We strive to be the #1 home service provider in Texas. Feel free to give us a call anytime at 817-888-8880 or visit teamenoch.com. Thanks again for choosing Team Enoch as your home service provider.